Why can't I go back to then? Time has passed by, but I'm still a kid, living with my selfishness, pretend to try, but I'm full of shit. Don't say you know me. Don't you pretend. Tell them you're lonely, and I'll make amends. Can we be friends? Easy to lie and suffer it, harder to cry and just admit. Keep her in mind, it's just a kiss, slow in the night. It wasn't worth it. Don't say you know me. Don't you pretend. Tell them you're sorry. Those words were said, I lost my breath. Why can't I fix myself? Maybe I'll find a better hell. You say goodbye, a gentle kill. Maybe in time your conscience will slow. Don't say you know me. Don't you pretend. Tell them you're sorry, and I'll make amends. Could we be friends? No, no, it's all over. I've done it now. It's all over. I'm heading out. It's all over. Without a doubt, well, it's all over. I guess you found out. Oh, I guess you found out. Well, I guess you found out. No, I guess you found out now. I guess you found out.